This is a soldering stand, commonly known as helping hands, but this variety hides a special feature. It has a separate swan neck LED light. Let's see what's in the box. A power cable, clips and clamps, a large magnifier, the soldering stand base, and instructions which we will completely ignore. Here we have the clips and clamps, which we will assemble without instructions. The large magnifier and its unnecessary appendage, which we will remove so that it won't cast a shadow. Once unscrewed, it is easily removed and cast off. This bolt is rather flimsy and can't hold the large magnifier stable. By attaching a nut at the back, however, it is able to hold its own weight. It should be tight, but not tight. This is another thingy that we don't need. The projector should only have one light, which is a pity because it looks really cool. Alas, the other lights need to be eliminated to prevent multiple image projections. Close the 4 outer lights completely with electric tape, leaving only the middle LED exposed. That's nice. Now it is time to attach the large magnifier. Angle the large magnifier upward more or less 30 degrees. Due to its enormous size, it is still a bit wiggly and will need to be tightened properly. Luckily, a pair of large pliers makes quick work of it. It is now safe for the smaller crocodile clamps to be put into place. However, as they will be moved up and down a lot, they do not need to be super-duper tight. You now have a cookie projector. Congratulations! Once you have printed your image on the correct type of transparency, cutting it in a round shape allows for more freedom of placement. But it really needs to be the right kind of transparency. No putting the inkjet kind in your laser printer. How cool is that? Move the image up or down to adjust the size. Change the angle of the image to avoid distortion. You can also move the light around to adjust size, position, or focus. While this little device might not achieve perfect focus, it's still pretty decent. You can also trace an image directly from your phone with AR drawing. Open the app, choose from the gallery, then choose Trace on screen. You can now adjust the size and rotation, as well as outline mode. Once you are happy, you can activate touch lock with the little lock thingy in the corner. Put a piece of transparency film on your phone and trace your image with a fine point marker or transparency pen. And there you have it, a cookie projector that's not only functional, but affordable as well.